First, I will quickly show you all the questions we will solve in this project. We have easy, medium, and hard tasks. Each one is a real business question. Watch the list now so you know the full plan. Okay, so now let's begin with the first question. I'll solve this one step by step so you can follow easily. So the category manager want to see total revenue by product category. We are gonna retrieve total revenue generated by each product category. This is the task, right? In order to solve this question, we need to look at the schema of the database to exactly know how to retrieve total revenue generated by each product category. This is the full structure of the schema. We have customers, products, orders, and order details table. I'll explain what each table holds so you understand the data we use. For this query, we are going to use products and order details tables. Product table has product name, category, price. We are going to use price and quantity from order details table to get revenue for each product category. Both tables are linked by product ID. You can see in the product table and in the order details table. This connection will help us to get quantity for each product category. Price x quantity will get us total revenue. Let's begin writing the query. I will explain everything as I write, and by the end of this video, you will understand each and every concept used in this query. I'm gonna start with the select statement. So first select, and as you know, we have to select a product category from products table, right? If you see there is a product category in products table, so product category, and now next we will retrieve total revenue generated, right? For that we'll use price from products table and quantity from order details table. Quantity times price will give us total revenue. We'll put this calculation inside some function. This will give us total value for each product category. Sum quantity from order details table multiply by price from products table. This will give us total revenue for each product category. We'll name this as total revenue. We'll select this from products table and then we'll join it with order details table using the product ID. So from products. Next, we are going to join both tables using the common column product ID. This will help us to connect rows where product IDs match. So we attach quantity to the correct price. You can see the product ID column in both tables here. So join order details on products dot product ID should be equal to order details dot product ID. As I said, these connect rows where product IDs match. So we attach quantity to the correct price. Don't be confused, we are using inner join here. If you see, we are using a full name of tables. Now we can also use short names for each table. This will make our query cleaner. So for products we can use P, and for order details we can use order OD. So you can replace the products and order details with their respective short names. Also do the same for the quantity, order details dot quantity, and product dot price for product category as well, because we are selecting it from products table. Next we are gonna group total revenue by product category, right? Because for each product category we want this total revenue. So group by product category. Here, in this scenario, grouping tells SQL to group or aggregate rows per category. Let's run this part to see the output. Oh, okay, there is a mistake. We have to use underline between spellings. Now you can see the result shows a product category and their total revenue. Beverages category has 831 revenue, produce has 1002, and so on. We need to sort the result in descending order, so the highest revenue categories shows first. We are gonna use order by clause. So order by total revenue in descending order. This sort the results, so the highest earning category comes first. If you see the result is retrieved without any order, so we need to make sure that the highest revenue categories shows first in the result. So let's run the query. Now you can see the categories with highest total revenue shows first. Pet care has total revenue, then meat and seafood, and so on. These results tells the management which category brings the most revenue. You might think why we don't write inner joiner instead of joiner. Both is same. We can write inner joiner, run the query, and the result will be the same. Yes, so for left joiner, right joiner, outer joiner, you will have to write the first word outer, left, or right. But for inner, you can just write a joiner. Please subscribe the channel. See you in the next video where we will solve the second question.